If you love plants and you love crafting, here's a fun way to combine them with a whimsical crochet plant. The leaves are made more lifelike with Aleene's fabric stiffener and draping liquid, and you'll love the kitschy charm of a plant you don't have to water or worry about. Here's what you'll need: several crochet leaves with wire stems, cookie sheets, Aleene's fabric stiffener and draping liquid, disposable gloves, plastic wrap, rocks, and a flower pot and floral foam. To prepare for your project, cover cookie sheets with plastic wrap. This will be where you place the wet leaves as they dry. For less mess, wear disposable gloves to protect your hands. Place a crocheted leaf in the cookie sheet and pour the Aleene's fabric stiffener and draping liquid over the leaf and work it into the fibers with your fingers. Continue the same process to cover all the leaves. You know, if you love to crochet, you can find tons of patterns for crocheted plants on the internet. Or maybe you can get that auntie or girlfriend that loves to crochet to make an assortment of leaves for you. Let the leaves dry overnight, or you can speed up the process with a hairdryer. Place the floral foam in the flower pot, then cover the foam with rocks. Now you're ready to assemble the plant. Starting in the middle of the pot, place the first leaf. Continue to add the leaves from the center of the pot, bending the stems to resemble a live plant. Now you have a handmade plant that looks luscious with the Aleene's fabric stiffener and draping liquid to decorate your space with no worries about a green thumb.